Bubble! Good job. Bubbles! Come on! Abby!
Well, usually the PCC is always
Abby!
so, you know, and usually, no, usually we have people lined up. Usually they're lined up at 7:45.
There she is! Hey, Lloyd.
They got something in there for me. Pig, right?
We're at the farm. Abby doesn't like that the cow mooed. Come here, Abby. Do you not like the cow mooing? Does it scare you a little? It's okay. It's not gonna hurt ya. Food in a cup for the animals. Which ones are you feeding?
You said you want to feed the ducks.
You want to feed the ducks? Okay.
She likes cows until she got so close to them.
Did you not like the cow, Abby? Do you want to go feed the ducks? Oh my goodness, you're tired? You're a mess, huh? Do you want to feed the duck? Get your fingers out of your mouth. That's yucky. Look, Kale's gonna feed the duck. Yeah, do you want to go feed the duckies? We'll go feed the ducks. Ready? You ready to go see it? Yeah. Abby, do you want to see the big bug? Okay. Now he's probably gonna jump away, okay?
Oh, look at that behind you, Abby.
Oh. Kitty. Oh, Abby. She would love a cat.
Yeah.
Abby, are you ready to open it up?
All right, here we go.
Hey, look out, Abby. What do you think, Kale?
What is it, Kale?
Don't touch Abby.
Kale, do you know what it is?
No.
Don't touch him.
It's a praying mantis.
Abby.
Abby's not afraid of it at all.
Don't touch. Kale, what do you think of him? He's a big bug, isn't he?
Don't touch.
Oh,
Abby.
Abby poked him in the eye. You want to hold the lid? Let's not put the lid on. We'll squish him. Okay?
No, Abby.
Let's put it... Oh.
Oh, my.
Do you want to hold him, Abby?
Oh, my.
I don't want to hold him either.
No, Abby. Abby, no, you're going to hurt him.
Okay. Thank
No.
you. All right, let him out.
Cat might eat it.
No, kitty.
Is that kind of cool, buddy? Abby. Abby, that thing's going to get you. Oh, my.
No.
Just pet it, Abby. Just pet. Don't be mean.
Thank you. What do you think of him, bud?
Abby, stay over here, baby.
Is he pretty cool or what?
It's wet over there. Come on.
Do you like him? Yeah? He's really big, huh?
Jump.
Do you want to hold
I
him?
don't want him to jump. Abby, come over here, please.
Do you want to actually hold him or just on the lid?
That's on the way.
Okay, he won't bite you. It's kind of a funny feeling when they walk on you, but he won't hurt you. Do you see him turning his head?
Kale, do you know how they eat?
No.
You see their arms? See this part of the arm right here? Kale, see this part of the arm, like their hands? There's spikies on the underside of his arm.
spikies?
There's spikies under there.
Yeah.
When he finds his food, he grabs them like this in the spikies, and then he cuts their head off.
What?
Abby,
Custard
Hey.
head
Abigail,
and eat
come back over here, please.
their head.
Here. Abby, come here. You're too far. Come on.
Do you like him, bud?
Then it turns out into head.
No, you have to.
Uh-oh.
You can't be over there.
The kitty... Oh, your socks are soaking wet, Abigail.
Abby, stay over here, baby.
You want to hold it?
No, thank you.
Daddy doesn't like it. You want Mommy to take him back?
The cat. I know the cat.
Well, we're
went home.
gonna let him go. I only had him in there to show you.
No, put it back in so you
No.
can show me.
He's got to go
later.
home now, buddy. When we're done, he goes home.
No, I want you to put it back in and show me later.
No, he needs
Oh.
to go home.
Abby, let go!
What's he doing?
She squished him. Daddy doesn't like him. No, Abby, no.
I think he's done.
Okay, let's let him go, okay?
Abby, come over here.
Okay.
Top, lamb, there,
Do you want help? We just got back from the store. We're in Daddy's way. Oh. We're in Daddy's way. Daddy's bringing in bags. Come here, Abby.
I'm coming in.
Whoa.
He used his super gecko muscles. You gonna keep going?
I'm gonna get out of the bottle.
You're gonna use your muscles. Good job. Thanks for being a big helper. Kale.
Daddy.
Whoa.
Kale's being a big, good helper. Wow. Careful.
Daddy.
Whoa.
Every time he's come out, I bring him this. I bring him this.
Thank you for helping again, bud.
Daddy.
Wow. Kale's getting his exercise.
Yes, I am. I'm getting my exercise. Check me out.
Check you out.
Pizza, you can take that one in yourself.
Go ahead.
Go ahead, all the way in to the kitchen.
Pizza.
Put it on the counter. Thanks, dude. Where's Stuffy? Oh, there he is.
They're pretty pajamas.
Yeah.
I love you.
Oh. Excuse you.
No, don't put my eyeball.
Abby, you cover when you sneeze.
Don't put my eyeball.
Abby.
My eyeball.
Hey, gentle, Cal, gentle. Nice pets.
No, no. Ow.
Abby, gentle.
In your eyeball.
Cal, look over here, please.
Daddy,
Yeah, bud.
open the door so we can go in the attic.
What time's for bed?
Very soon. Abby, what are you doing? Careful. Can this youth bed hold all this weight?
Yeah, get down. I'm gonna get down, buddy. There's too much for it. We weigh too much. Get down. Yeah, we weigh too much.
I think it's really not designed for this much weight, bud.
Get your hands up.
Daddy.
Wait, Kale, I'm getting down.
Abby, get down.
Let's go play in the attic.
Kel,
Woo!
5 minutes. Can you do only 5 minutes? Alright, 5 minutes.
You guys can play for 5 minutes.
Come on, Abby.
I'll clean up and set up their rooms. Go ahead, Abby. Do you want to go in the attic? Thanks for cleaning up, baby. You gonna go with Daddy? Go ahead.
Abby,